In this video, I'm going to review Binance Affiliate, if it's actually a good program, and I'm going to also explain to you how I made over $20,000 in Binance Affiliate revenue. Now, Binance Affiliate is an amazing affiliate, but before we're gonna go into it, I want to share with you two things. The first thing is that you're gonna find down below in the description the best tools that I use that help me make money on the affiliate. And also I created a free masterclass, free video, the strategies that I use to actually generate and make money with affiliate on the internet, like Binance, where you see that I earn over $20,000. So, all right, let's jump into the review, and then I'm going to show the strategies, how you can make money, and if it's actually worth it to go with Binance. So when you come here to Binance.com affiliate program, recommend Binance to your audiences and earn up to 50% lifetime commission on every qualified trade. And that's really perfect. And let me show you how it actually works and what I like so much about it. So when I come here, what you can always offer is a 5%, 10% off of the fees. So you actually get money from the fees that they are trading. So yes, you see that 1,700 referrals, but maybe the 23,000 were earned from 100 referrals, because those who are going to do day trading, those are that people that you're looking for. So day trading who are making on crypto, you're gonna earn most of the money. And you see right here that I started creating videos. It was in June, July last year in 2021, and it started accumulating, and right now it's going slower comparing on the beginning, and I will explain you why. Only because the popularity of crypto is decreasing. So when you even currency, when you write here cryptocurrency and look on the popularity, you see it dropped. When you go here and write Binance, like all the, see, dropped. It went popular up and down. When you look here and write Coinbase, also dropped. So everything is dropping, and therefore all those like income from affiliates, everything that you're gonna get money from crypto, it's going down too. And there is like also a really great, I will show you a woman which completely dropped in the views, which was huge in crypto. So when I write here Coinbase tutorial, let's say, no, every bit helps. Look at this woman, this girl. Okay, she got like a lot of videos, right? When you look at these videos in the past that got like 800k views, but look at the Social Blade now. Look, 220k views, right? She was earning like 600, 700k views. Right now, what was she last year? No, 2 years back. 200k views, which is also really perfect. Mamma mia, it's great. But it's much less what it was before. And also you need to count with that okay, there is going to be a lot of competition because everyone started creating about NFTs and crypto. And this is my recommendation. Like Binance, in my opinion, is oversaturated right now. I wouldn't recommend to it. You need to find a different kind of things how you can do it. Maybe what I would recommend for you to do is focus on NFTs market when there are affiliates and create educational videos about that. That's a good strategy. Or what you can do is to wait for, like Binance is top 8 player, top 3 with the Coinbase, with crypto.com, let's say. Top 3 players. Yes, you can make affiliate with those, or you can find the B, C, D, F, G, H, like all of that players, and create affiliates and tutorials about those with some benefit. Like let's say, if you're going to use the link, I'm going to give you the guide on how you can make money with crypto. And you're going to have the email, and you're going to have also like an affiliate. So that's how we can do it. And definitely look for recurring revenue. So this is what is really great about Binance, that you can have actually a recurring revenue that I have, that I didn't make any videos from June 2021, and it's still earning me like $400 monthly. Yeah, you see, like every day it's like what, $20 a day. And I don't do anything for the past year. And look at this. And those referrals even forget that they were registered under me. They're just like trading and investing and withdrawing, etc. So as you can see, this is like one of the best strategies that I personally think is that, okay, you can provide value that I'm going to give you the 36%. I will receive 36%. You'll receive 5% off from your trades. And when I come here to referral, how it works is that when you go to referral and how I was doing it, I said, if you're going to click with the link, I'm going to give you the 15% of your trades. And I will get another 15%. So standard referral. And I can easily, you receive 36%, 5%. And I created, I don't know where to find it, all accounts. I created like 4 links that people can like, okay, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, mining ratio. And you see always the mining ratio here that you can use. And I could easily, oh, this is it. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. I don't know how to use the new platform here. So you see that I received 31%, 10%. Then I made 21%, 20%. And this is the video that I made about the best affiliate, like percentage off from fees on Binance. And 800 people just registered under me. That was crazy. Like, you know, what I made? I made a video about Binance trading. How it's like trading. So I don't know where to find it now, but I made like, how this guy got 1 million views there. So Binance affiliate, and it was like a link. So let me show you. I'm going to show you the video that like actually made me so much money. It's going to take me a while. Binance. And I made videos like these. Let me show you. You can even find it on my channel if you want to. I made videos like Binance versus something, and then I said, okay, if you want to actually promote it, you can offer like, okay, I'm going to give you 10% Binance off. Yeah, this is it that I made. Look at this, I got it. Binance referral ID, Binance best referral code. And now you see 20% for them, 20% for me, 7,000. And if I would be from the US, I would have even more affiliates. But I wasn't from the US. And even that video earned me about 43 euro. But you see, like, look at this. It got no traffic at all. It's like completely dead. It was in the beginning when people were watching it, but right now, no one is watching it. And when we look here, like if I would be in the US and I could create an account in the US, I even wrote them that, okay, I want to create it. Look at like this guy here, but this got paid views. These are paid views too. Like I can immediately see if there are paid views or no. But look at this, so like everyone is spamming right now those videos. Oh, this is mine. Yeah, you see, when you see so many likes, these are all paid views. And these guys, when they got the Binance, they're earning so much money. And that's pretty much it, how you're gonna make it. So I hope this video helps you to understand. Definitely find like better players and check the tools down below in the description that I use to make money with affiliate tools on the internet. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.